We are making egg fried rice, a quick and simple home-style Chinese dish. First, prepare cucumber, carrot, scallion, eggs, of course, rice, the key ingredient. Cut the cucumber into small pieces. Cut the carrot into small pieces. And slice some scallion into small sections. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Turn the heat up to high. Pour in some oil in the pan. Once the oil is warm, go ahead and pour in the eggs. That way, they'll come out soft and sticky. And you won't get too much smoke in the kitchen either. Stir them and break them into small bits. This gives the fried rice a better texture. Next, add the chopped scallion, cucumber, and carrot. Then stir fry. Add the rice and mix it well with other ingredients. Season with 2 or 3 spoonfuls of salt, 1 spoon of SMG, and a spoon of sesame oil. Stir everything evenly, and it's ready to serve. So simple, right? Take a bite. It's delicious. Follow me for more.